Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about the point of sale module in Odoo and what are the things that you have to be aware of if you want to use it. So the first thing what I encourage you to do is that in the moment when you are gonna open the point of sale, you are going to find here, for example, like furniture, events and things like that. So you're gonna choose one of them, and then you're gonna have the configuration here where you're gonna have, for example, the method like the card, cash, or you're gonna find here the settings here. So for the settings, you're gonna have, for example, take out daily remembers. So this is something that you can like also set up for yourself. Here you're gonna have the payment methods, and you just want to like go through the settings and like, for example, the default sales tax and maybe some important things that you need to have on, and you can have it like right here. For example, the payment terminals here, connected devices and things like that. So here definitely check the configuration if there is something like important for your point of sale. Okay, now how does it work is that in dashboard, when you're going to come here, you are going to find the option to have the POS where you're going to have the products. But first I just want to show you how it works when you're going to create a product and how it looks then here. Okay, so unlock register, and here we are. So here in products, you're gonna have products and you can create a new product. And let's say this is going to be flower, and I'm going to change it and I'm going to add a product right here. So I'm going to add a picture of a flower. Okay, and it's right there. And if it's like, you have to choose if it's a good service product, then you're gonna have a sales price. Let's say this is going to be 50 euro and cost is going to be 15 per unit. Then you're gonna have the category, if it's like food, goods, services, also reference. If you have the barcode, you can add a barcode right here. You can also track the inventory. So quantity on hand, I can go like 5 units. And right here I can have like sales, so like a packaging, also like the point of sale, like the weight in a scale, category, color, also a price list right here, the inventory, like the weight, and also volume. Also for the accounting, if you want to have it for income account and expense account, and then also like in e-commerce, if you want to have it like also published on the shop. So this is also where you have sell when out of stock, and you can also show available quantity. So that's pretty much it for the product, how it works. Now when I go to products, as you can see, I have the product right here. Now then how it works is that you're gonna have the orders where you're gonna have like the orders, session, payments, preparation, display, customers. But for the products, you are going to find here also the combo choices. So if you would like, you can have more combo choices where, I don't know, like burger choice, and you can have like options here for like the combo choices of the products. And this is going to be like what combo price you can have here. So this is for that. And also like the price list, that's like another thing what you can have here. And if you like to have, you can have a price list here too. So further orders, here you're gonna find orders. We don't have any right now, so we have to first like make an order. So I can come here and I can click here, continue selling. And look at that. So here we have it. So we have the register, right? I can have like 003 here, and I can have the orders. Look at that. So this is like the ongoing. So this is like the first. So I can click here on a flower. Okay, I can have quantity, let's say 3. So we have free quantity. If I want, I can like remove it. So free quantity. And then what I can do, I can click here payment. And now this is something that you see in the settings. You can have like cash, card, customer. So I can have cash, right? And then I can like validate. Amount paid 184. Okay, let's go again. Cash, okay, change. This is something that you have, and you can have validate and amount paid. Oh, continue. And here we got it, right? So now when we would go to back to Odoo, and look at that. So I made like 2 times, but as you can see right here, we have the number, receipt number, order reference. You can have also like the sessions here that you see, or the payments, or the preparation display. So here you see right here that you got it, right? And that's pretty much it how it works. So I can click here, continue selling, and you're gonna have a product, 1 flower, and let's say we can like have it minus if I would like to remove it, or you're gonna have the price, quantity, payment, and you can have cash, and I can click here validate, or I can have like a card, right? So I can like remove that, I can press card and validate, continue. So that's pretty much it, how it's possible to be done and what you can do, guys. So I hope this video provided a little bit of value. And have a great day and goodbye.